What is the use of PyEnv Virtual Env plugin? It helps us to manage virtual environments for across varying versions of Python. Let us create a new virtual environment. I'm going to name the virtual environment as APM. The virtual environment has been created successfully. Now let us activate the virtual environment. Now you can notice that APM prefix has been added to the command line. This means that we are inside the virtual environment. If you want to exit out of it, the command is pyenv deactivate in the virtual environment name. Now we are out of the virtual environment. Let me activate it one more time, and now we are going to install all the necessary packages needed to set up our test environment. I have a file called requirements.txt, and I have listed all the packages which we need to set up the test environment. The first one is APM Python client, and then a py, six, pytest, and selenium. I have added this file to the course. Please make use of it. Now we are going to install all the packages with a single command. The command is pip install -r requirements.txt. Ensure that you are within the folder where this file is present. All the packages have been successfully installed. To verify that, enter the following command pip freeze. You can see that all the packages listed in this file are installed: APM Python client, py, pytest, selenium, and six. You can also notice that a few additional packages have been installed. These are the dependencies of other packages within the requirements.txt file.